Here I am minding my own business looking at trucks. We got this 2024 Peterbilt at the show. Purple and silver, just looking glorious. Got the tri-drive, maybe? Nope, just a lift, And, oh, looking clean on the F350 XLT JTX Forge wheels. Man, that is a nice truck and trailer. You can haul it all with that trailer. That is a nice trailer right there. Dang. I don't know about that extension. Beautiful combination. Winch on top even. What do you need hauled? He'll go get it for you. Purple pressure. How about that?